Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature 14 gorgeous hairstyles that you can rock this season. So if you are in need of a major hair change, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with gorgeous ombre blonde hair. Beautiful waves were added for some texture. Absolutely stunning. And a lot of the hairstyles within today's video will feature longer strands. So if you do have long hair and you are looking for some new hot hair ideas, you will definitely love this video. So here we have someone that is going to be mixing in some highlights. The stylist is doing that comb through method as well as the paintbrush, really creating a nice dimensional color effect. Gorgeous chestnut color, beautiful caramel mix. Oh wow, absolutely stunning. The dimension with the color just looks unreal. Next up we have someone else. So she has a brunette color and face framing highlights. Very subtle and chic. I absolutely adore this look. Then we have another brunette with some highlights. Beautiful soft brown hair color with the waves. Gorgeous. And then we move on to this bright blonde bob style. Then we have another brunette with some chestnut inspired highlights mixed in. This is a great way to subtly change your hair without doing anything too drastic. I love the dimension that it just adds. So fresh and gorgeous. Another ombre blonde style. Love how this looks with the red lip. Just looks so amazing. So we have another brunette here who decided to mix it in with some blonde, beautiful dimension. Wow, absolutely stunning. And this is a great option for the summer months, going just a tad bit lighter. So this one features more of a drastic ombre variation with the face framing highlights, darker roots, bleached blonde ends. Here we have a beautiful blonde shoulder length style. This one also features the darker roots. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me today. Hopefully you were able to find some hair inspiration. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair video, and I will see you in the next one.